Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I am here to do the unboxing of the February 2024 Beauty Heroes box. I'm very excited. I actually received it on February 1st, but I haven't had a chance to film this until now. And I was looking in the mirror before I filmed this, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm looking tired, and in my mind I was like thinking, oh, I look haggard. But it has just been a day. My poor son, he's like 5.5. He started with ear pain at like 4 a.m. and it resulted by 11 a.m. in a burst eardrum. And he had the same situation in the last month and a half with the same burst eardrum and an ear infection in between that. So he was in like horrible pain this morning for few hours and just begging us to take him to the doctor and everything. So it was just a day, and then the twin babies were whiny and crying, and here I am. Everyone's asleep. I had a beer, it was good. And now we're gonna unbox this. So sorry, I just needed to vent just a little bit. Let's focus on the box, okay? So okay, I did see a spoiler. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know if it's like Free and True. I think that's a brand. I don't know if they're the ones that came out with this. I remember seeing something about a product come through about blue milk and tansy, I think it was. And I remember thinking, oh my gosh, that sounds so great. Like, because I like tansy, the smell of it, blue tansy, but I can't remember what brand it was. But when I got the email from Beauty Heroes in my inbox, I accidentally saw it and it said something about like blue milk and tansy. So I'm like, oh, I think that's a product that sounded really intriguing. So anyways, I know, like, I'm all over the place. Let's open it. All right, so I'm excited. Happy to be here. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, Free and True, so I was right. Here we go. This is the one way to play card that comes with it. They tell you how to use it. All right, so we have Beauty Heroes, Free and True. I think that I have never used one of their products. No, that's not true. I use their Body Profit serum, like body serum, like body lotion, and it was a product that was like really raved about, and I didn't love it. I believe they have a different body serum now in a different scent that I've heard better things, or I've heard other things about, which I would definitely explore in the future. But anyways, oh, this is exciting because there's 3 products. I've always wanted to try the Mama Pacha moisturizer. I don't know if that's listed here, so I'm not gonna look. Let's see. Okay, so here's the milk and tansy. There we go. Biphase Essence, Desert Milk Blue Tansy Aloe. Oh, that sounds nice. Look at the box, it's pretty. This is making me happy. Okay, Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Natural Beauty. I like that very much. All right, so we have a Biphase Essence. I love a good essence. Ooh, look at this. Okay, that's kind of magical. Like, I'm excited about this. Okay, after cleansing, activate milk and tansy by shaking until it turns a milky blue. Then dispense a 1/4 teaspoon into the palm of your hand and press onto skin. Follow with serum, moisturizer, or face oil. Oh, this is fun. I don't have a product like this that you shake up and everything. I'm excited to smell this. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we have a hyaluronic serum. Ramblin' Rose, Pomegranate, Neroli, and Rose serum. Okay. I have a lot of serums, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, and then we have, ooh, pure guava seed oil. Okay, that sounds really nice. The boxes are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, the boxes are very, very pretty, right? I know that's not like, it's something though, right? Okay, I'm excited. This is making me happy. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, the hero product, Milk and Tansy, is an innovative toner that does the work of several treatments at once, revealing visibly calmer, more hydrated skin. The first of 2 sidekicks, Ramblin' Rose, is a daily serum that further boosts hydration and strengthens the skin barrier. Final step is to apply the second sidekick, Nature and Nurture, a regenerative treatment oil developed for all skin types. With only 2 ingredients, this discovery is the epitome of simplicity. Free and True is on a mission to liberate us from the complicated routines with essential products made with high-quality botanicals and clinically proven ingredients suitable for all skin types. Sounds pretty perfect to us. Okay, awesome. Okay, So let's talk about the Milk and Tansy. 3.3 fluid ounces for $68. It's a Milk and Tansy biphase essence. Sometimes the total is greater than the sum of its parts. Such is the case for Milk and Tansy, a hydrating oily serum toner formulated with blue tansy oil, a botanical gem known for its skin soothing, inflammation calming benefits, and desert milk, which is trademarked. A meticulously curated blend of natural oils and extracts, including baobab fruit extract and seed oil, Kalahari melon seed oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera that promotes hydration and reinforces the skin barrier. A natural fruit complex of watermelon, apple, and lentil works synergistically to restore moisture to the skin, offering immediate comfort and long-lasting results. When activated, the 2 layers, in italics, emulsify into a milky blue essence that's richer than a typical toner, yet lighter than a traditional oil, delivering the best of both worlds and more. Beneficial for all skin types, including those with sensitivities, Milk and Tansy reverses dryness, remedies damage, reduces redness, and infuses hydration at once, defining minimal effort, delivering maximum results. Superpower ingredients are blue tansy oil, baobab seed oil, Kalahari melon seed oil, watermelon seed oil, apple fruit extract, and lentil fruit extract. Okay, let's do this. All right, so we gotta shake it up. I just wanna smell it, I guess, and see what it's all about. Ooh. Cool. This is fun. Oh, are we sealed? No. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if you can see this. It's like a little, I was gonna say like a little plastic thing. It's harder for me to, I've been getting my nails done for the past 6 months or more probably, dip powder manicures, and they make me feel really happy. It was the first time in my life that I have maintained my nails monthly, and it makes me feel really happy. Like, your nails can really bring you joy. And I got this done a few weeks ago, so it's growing out a little bit, but it's kind of like a raspberry color, and it's pretty. So it's harder to open things though. Oh, that smells good. Okay, let's put a little on my hand. All right, so it's definitely liquidy. Oh, yum. The blue tansy. I like blue tansy. So, oh, this is gonna be so nice to use. And my kids are gonna get a kick out of just the looks of it. They like to occasionally ask me to like use one of my creams on their face or like a serum or something. Like, they don't know a serum versus anything else, right? They're all like 5.5 years old max. You know, one's almost 4, and then the babies, no, they're not into my skincare yet, thank God. Because ultimately there's 3 girls, and they might be into my stash in the future. But anyways, the kids will think this is like very cool if they see it. So I think it's very cool. Interesting. That is a cool hero product. Okay, let's move on. And I definitely did see this come out recently, and I was like, that sounds really cool. Okay, the Ramblin' Rose Soothing Hydrating Serum. 1.7 fluid ounces, $68. You can never have too much skin hydration, and Ramblin' Rose is one of our favorite products to add a cushion of hydration, the secret to healthy looking skin. A team of functional hydrators provide universal benefit across all skin types and conditions. Organic pomegranate juice replenishes hydration while infusing skin with antioxidants, helping to fend off free radicals that can lead to premature cell atrophy. Low and medium molecular weight hyaluronic acid offer a dual approach to hydration. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid penetrates deeper into the skin, hydrating from within, while medium weight molecules hydrate the surface layers, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But this botanical blend-based pH balancing serum delivers more than moisture. Rose water brings its soothing and calming effects to the serum, reducing signs of redness and puffiness, while white tea is rich in catechins. That sounds like Catholicism to me. I'm Catholic, so. Making it a robust antioxidant that supports skin's elasticity and firmness. I don't know how you say that word. Okay, so let's check out this serum. Okay. It always takes like a few pumps the first time around. This is a lot of pumps. Like, I might have it in the wrong mode. Let's see. There we go. I can feel, okay. We got it. Okay, that's a lot. Whoa. Rose scent, but smells good. Okay, I definitely did a lot there. So we have some essence and we've got some serum. Oh, that smells nice. That is like a nice scent. I like it. So we'll do the essence, you do the serum. Okay, and then we need to see about the guava seed oil. I think they said use that last. That's pretty awesome if it's like, use your own cleanser and then use the essence, use the serum, use this. Okay, that smells really good. I'm excited because normally Rose and I are like not best friends, but that one smells pretty good. Okay, next we have, and lastly, we have Nature and Nurture Pure Guava Seed Oil. 1 fluid ounce for $52. Let's see what the bottle looks like. I'm assuming it's gonna look like this. Let's see if I'm right. Yes. Oh, there we go. Okay, $52, 1 fluid ounce. Achieve the ultimate glow up with this pared down formula. Nature and Nurture combines 2 potent ingredients that prove the power of simplicity in skincare. Central to this blend is guava seed oil, a tropical treasure trove of antioxidants. Rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins A, C, and E, selenium, and beta carotene, it is a natural skin brightener, scar eraser, and free radical scavenger, all while providing deep nourishment to dry and tired skin. Its high antioxidant content helps combat hyperpigmentation, ensuring an even skin tone and a luminous glow. The other half of this formula is squalene, known for its exceptional ability to prevent transepidermal water loss. Lightweight and non-greasy, it soothes the skin, supports barrier health, and leaves it feeling soft, supple, and well moisturized. Squalene reinforces the less is more philosophy, offering multiple benefits without the heaviness of traditional oils. The synergy is simple, the scent is subtle, and the glow is sustained. Less really is more. Okay, let's see if this has a scent. It's very closed. I'm gonna put it on my palm just because I have a few things going on the top of both my hands. Okay, we've got an oil. It's like a, it's funny, it's like a fruit oil, right? But it has kind of like a, I won't say like a stinky smell, but like skunky. Don't love that. Yeah, it just reminds me of like smelling a fruit tree like in another country, like, or like in a tropical island. You smell the tree and you're like, oh, that kind of smells. Yeah, ooh, that's an interesting. It says the scent is subtle. I guess it is subtle, but it's not like pleasant subtle. Okay, whatever. Anyways, that's how it moisturizes. It's gonna be interesting. So it's cool because we're gonna use, it's like a 3-step process here. So right, we're gonna use the essence, the serum, and the stinky oil and see how it goes. Okay. I am so happy. This is a cool box. I'm not so sure about this one. We'll definitely have to do a review at the end of the month to see how all these went, but particularly this stinker. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful. Click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out. Love to chat with you in the comments below as usual. I thank you for watching and I look forward to chatting with you below. Bye.